Hello, I am Carlos Moreno, professor at Paris Sorbonne Business School, the creator of the 50-minute city concept. I will go to India, to Mumbai, in November for taking part in the next Mumbai International Bike Fair. I will deliver a conference on this powerful global revolution of proximities. The 50-minute city concept is another way for living differently, in particular for being resilient in face to climate change, sanitarian and energy crisis. I will be delighted to see you in Mumbai. Thank you.